Hello dear friends, in this video we'll learn how to start working quickly in leader task. The first step we need to do is to make a list of all tasks we need to do in the in section. To add a task we can click here at the add button and select add new task. For example, it will be buy printer. We can also add a task using this way. We right-click on the empty space and select New Task. For example, prepare a project on reducing the expenses. We can also select a like task and make them in a tree-like structure. For example, we can see that we have a like task like buy printer and buy Xerox. So we can create a new task which will be a parent task for both of them, and we create a task buy office equipment. To make this task subtask to this one, we just drag and drop them to this parent task. This way we make this list of the task more convenient for perception. We can also see that we have common tasks on the site. So we can see a task update to contacts on the site and add new products to the site. So we create one more task to gather them together. We create a task update the site. And we drag and drop this task on this one. If we have a big and difficult task, we should divide it into small ones. So we can see a big task, prepare a project on reducing the expenses. So we let's divide it, this task into small ones. We right-click this task and add a new subtask. For example, fill in part 1. And fill in part 2. Now we have to set dates for the task we are going to execute. That means that we should decide when we are going to complete the tasks. Well, using the Shift button, we select the whole project, prepare project on reducing the expenses, and we decide that we are going to execute it today. So we just drag and drop all these tasks for today in the calendar. We also decide to complete task order making up of a flyer for the day after tomorrow, for Saturday. And we also can see that the task update the site we can also do today. So let's just drag and drop this for today. And the rest of the tasks we can also do today. So let's now go to the today section. And here we can see that we can change the order of the execution of tasks. To do this, we click on the task and push the control button and the down button. This way we can change the order of the execution. Now we can add a comment to a task. To do it, we double click a task and write a comment. For example, take the trust letter. This comment will be automatically saved. When a task is executed, we can change its status. To do it, we can right-click this task and select an appropriate status. For example, completed. We can see that now this task is overscored. If we are going to execute a task right now, we can set a status in progress. So now we can see that this is the task that we are doing now. When it is over, we can just click this icon and the task will become finished. We can also assign a task. To do it, we can click on the task and drag and drop it to the executor. So let's a task by Xerox will be executed by John. We can see now that this task now has an icon, and by printer, let's be executed by Mark. If a task has a set date and set time when we should execute it, we can place it into the date book. So we click on this button and move this task, meet CEO of temp LLC, to this place. In this section, if we know the duration of this task, we can mark it here. This way you can see your timetable for a day. To the end of the day, all tasks should be completed.